Hello, today I am going to show our CRM deal stagnation and auto nudge module. So let's start with the installation. So here's our module look like. And after installing this, we have to go to our CRM section. Inside the CRM, we have to configure our staging behavior and stages. So let's start with the staging behaviors. Inside the staging behavior, we add the multiple staging behavior. So let's start with creating one. Inside this agent behavior, we have three fields: names, flag color, and nudge salesperson. Inside the name, we can add the name of this agent behavior, and this nudge salesperson checkbox will enable the nudge salesperson option, which help you to send the nudges to the salesperson and save it. And after creating the staging behavior, we have to configure our stages. Inside these stages, we have seen the option of the stage initiation status. It will show the stage initiation done, stage initiation pending. Once we set up all the things, it would be go to the stage initiation done state. And inside the stages, we have two sections: staginations and nudging. Inside the stagination, we have stagination days field, which which we which help you us to set the stagination days, and you can see the max allowed days at this stage. And also we have stagnation behavior we have previously created. Here we can see all the stagnation behaviors, and along with that, we can also enable the stagnation notify manager for the particular stages. So when the check, I'll click the checkbox, then it will be enabled the notify manager. And inside the nudging section, we have stagnation escalation hours, which help us to set the time duration for the sending nudges and the escalation to the salesperson, and escalation for the manager. Once this will configure, it should be a stagnation done. And after that, we have come to our pipelines. In our sales pipeline view, this pipeline view, we can see the some color strips and some colors and the stays. So this will show the stagnation behavior we have set it, and this is the stagnation days of this stage. And this strip show the stagnation state, like this yellow strip shows the threshold of, of this opportunity after the entry date. So the current state of this opportunity is as in warning state. So the warning state will be show between the 75% to 100%. This white strip on no strip will show it would be less than the 75%, and it currently in a normal state. And this purple strip show the escalated to the manager complete. And we have one more strip, which is the red strip, which show the critical state. And inside this, we have the two new sections here: stagnation track and stage log, which help to track the stage entry date and stagnation days and warnings. Stagnation state, just currently it's in morning, and last nudge dates and nudge count administrate escalated to manager who will be person responsible for this, and last nudge sent to an escalation mail sent, and if we want to skip the escalation we can enable this. And state logs, and this section will be visible for the managers and the user which have the access for that. For giving this access we have to go to the settings, then the user and companies, then user. Here we have to select the user, and inside the extra right section we have to enable this stagnation tab access. Once we enable this two field will be visible, and on the basis of a state we are sending the nudges and the escalations. So based on this stagnation state, the nudges will be sent and escalation will be also sent. So we can see here this is an escalated state. So when it escalated to manager, it show like this. And for nudges, the nudges will be sent to the salesperson like this. And here we see the nudge count will be increases. And also we have introduced the address deal dashboard, which help us to reassign and bulk nudge to the salesperson. So here we can reassign to the new salesperson and also nudge to the salesperson. And uh, along with that we also introduced the stagnation analytic reports, which show the total stagnation cases and average days to action based on the stages and the salesperson. Here we can track the how soon the salesperson take action on this opportunity.